The Admail.net system allows you to use full HTML emails. You can seamlessly import HTML layouts and send them using the email builder. Before attempting to create an HTML email, be aware that it takes a bit of a different strategy and mindset to write HTML for email than it does for websites. Email clients are not always the best programs when rendering HTML, which is why in most cases simplicity is the best way to go when writing HTML for your email campaign. You should be familiar with what type of functions and tags are allowed in the major email programs before you attempt any fancy coding. We suggest that anyone attempting to write an HTML email be familiar with HTML code, but there's also some programs that you can use if you're not. In particular, Dreamweaver works nicely for this function. Microsoft Word, however, is notoriously bad at creating HTML, and the code that it creates will not work properly in email. As is true with all email, the final outcome is at the mercy of the email client when it's being rendered. The best thing you can do is be as familiar as possible with the standards of the email clients that you're sending to. Then, create simple, effective emails. Focus on content and appeal to your customers. Simply insert a subject line, upload, or in this case, copy and paste your HTML to your document. We'll now paste it in here, click Next. Load the alternate text from the HTML. And now we can preview it and we can see that our HTML came out perfectly. Be careful when you're using HTML layouts though. If you build it in Dreamweaver or another HTML builder program, you may have broken image links. You need to make sure that you direct an image link to where it is hosted somewhere on the internet. If it is only hosted on your computer, you'll be able to see them on Admail, and you'll even be able to see them in your test emails. But if you send out a campaign this way, your users won't be able to see those images.